Alrighty guys, we're here at the Courtyard by Marriott here in Lafayette, Indiana. We got an Otis. And we know this is Series 5. Three, here we go. One. They should replace the button. White. Interesting. Series 5. Oh, the rear floor is locked. It's not a lift, it's an elevator. Well, technically it's passenger like wrong. It's a nice cab. See the lantern out there. Pretty cool. Look at those buttons. Good look at that. Series 5. Look at all these key switches. Like 7 key switches. Ow. That's pretty cool. And that is the elevator here. This white button. Very interesting. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.